Hello Glamorous and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I went on Pinterest looking for a bar cart, and I came across these beautiful and unique bar carts, but I would like to make two in one, so I'll be making a brunch slash bar cart. If you would like to find out how I created my very own, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using this baby bassinet that I found on the sidewalk for free, and I'll be undressing it and taking the wheels apart. I will be also cutting off the baby protection foam that came with the bassinet. I will also be removing the wood board and the music box as well. I will leave a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Once I was done, I'll be wiping down the entire frame. I noticed the wood board that came with the bassinet had a slightly curve, so I'll be using weights to flatten it down, and I'll leave it overnight. I'll be attaching back the metal rod that came with the hood, and it's easy to put back on. Just snap it on each side, and I'll be using this as my handle, and it's very adjustable. Next, I took it to a well-ventilated area, and I gave it 2 coats of metallic silver. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll be using this strong cardboard box that I already had on hand, and I'll be tracing the wood board on top. Once I was done cutting it out, I'll be gluing on painter sticks that I already cut to size, and I'll be using my strongest glue sticks for the remainder of this project. The painter sticks will add support when putting heavy items on top. I'll be covering up the creases by using white duct tape. I'll be taking both pieces to a well-ventilated area and just spray painting the bottom white. I will also be painting white this storage plastic basket, and I'll put it aside. Once my cardboard cutout was dry, I'll be taking my measurement and I'll be cutting a square to fit the storage box. Next, I'll be using this self-adhesive white printed contact paper, and this is very easy to use. Just cut it to the size that you need, peel, apply, and smooth. I also cut out the area where I'll be placing my storage basket. Once I was done covering both boards, I'll be using my strongest glue and hot glue to attach both pieces. I also screw back on both legs with the wheels. Also decided to add a third board on the bottom for extra storage, repeating the same steps. Next, I'll be using mirror reflection paper and foam board, and I took the mirror reflection paper and applied it to the foam board. Next, I'll be using my ruler and box cutter, and I'll start cutting lines going across a ½ inch apart, but not so deep where it would split the board, enough to have some kind of flexibility. Once I was done with both pieces, I'll start gluing them on the cart on each side using hot glue and my strongest adhesive glue. Next, I'll bring back my basket and I'll put it in place with no gluing. This way it'll be easier to take out and clean as needed. Next, I'll be gluing on strips of mini mosaic stickers around the front edges of the cart. Even though the stickers are self-adhesive, I use hot glue for a longer hold. I also glued on 2 remote control LED touch lights on the first 2 boards for lighting. And here is the finished look. I really do love the way this cart turned out, and who would ever imagine this was made from a baby's bassinet. This cart can be used in 2 different ways. It could be used as a brunch cart or a bar cart. The choice is yours. You may also use this cart however you like. I also love the lighting that it brings out in those dark areas, and this will be the perfect cart for that special indoor or outdoor evening event. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.